In this video, I will be showing you how to add a user to your organization, how to make sure they have the correct seat assignment, and how to remove them if they leave your business. By the end of this, you will know exactly what each seat type unlocks. So I need to have an organization administrator role in order to access this. I'll come up to the top right and I will select Organization Management. Here there are two tabs, Users and Credits. For this one, I'll be focusing on users. There are two primary types of users within Liminal platform, Command and GTM. Command users will have full access to our events monitor, our team spaces, personalized insights, as well as research capabilities for strategy and our use cases, our market landscape. GTM users focus on sales execution via game plans, target accounts, battle cards, campaigns, and more. Let's go back to organization management. Here I see all the users that are currently part of my organization, as well as their seat types. Let's look at Mateos here, and I can choose the three dots menu, change seat type, and if I'd like to give him full access to the GTM features of the platform, I can upgrade him to Pro account and submit a request for that change, and our team will take care of that. If I want to invite new coworkers to the platform, I choose Invite. And I will put their emails in here and separate these with a comma. I'll invite my colleague Ali and Andrew. Click Invite, and an email will go out to those users, inviting them to join the platform, set up their own password, their own preferences, and so on. You can see they've been invited here. I can also use this three dots menu to reset a user's password or to remove them from the organization. That's it for this video. You can now invite, assign users, remove access, monitor usage, and more. For organization admins, this is where you have full visibility into how your company is using the Liminal product. For more videos like this one, check out the rest in this series.